Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. You can see the model of this hairs. This is a pre-light hair in level 9 to 10 and under hairs is very wide coverage. We are covering a wide coverage and darkness of this hair using a back combing technique on this beautiful lady. So section by section we are applying a pre-lightener to create the exact tone of this hair. You can see the tone of this hair. We are applying all content.